Puberty is when the reproductive system completes its development and becomes fully functional, which means a male is able to reproduce. Puberty begins when the hypothalamus begins releasing gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH. It goes to the anterior pituitary to produce FSH and LH. Testosterone then stimulates spermatogenesis, so the production of sperm. It also stimulates the primary characteristics in the womb, the reproductive organs to form, so the seminiferous vesicles, the prostate, the cowpers, the testes, the vas deferens. And then at puberty, it also stimulates secondary sexual characteristics, which include deepening of voice, facial and pubic hair, and muscle growth. Inhibin is produced by the Sertoli cells to inhibit FSH, to lower it, which slows sperm production. Let's draw the feedback loop for all of the male hormones. Starting at the hypothalamus, it releases GnRH, which goes to the anterior pituitary, which releases FSH. FSH, remember, stimulates the Sertoli cells. They increase sperm production. LH goes to the interstitial cells in the testis to produce testosterone. Testosterone, like FSH, stimulate the Sertoli cells to increase sperm production, and when there is enough sperm produced, the Sertoli cells increase inhibin, another hormone, which is negative feedback to reduce the amount of sperm produced. Testosterone also has a negative feedback loop. When there's enough of it, it turns down its own production. Don't forget, LH stimulates the interstitial cells to produce testosterone. That spells lit. Andropause is a decline in testosterone production in men. Happens around age 50. It results in depression, fatigue, drop in sperm production, and loss of muscle and bone mass. Treatment includes testosterone supplements or exercise. How does exercise treat it, you wonder? It increases the amount of androgens, which are sex hormones, produced by the adrenal gland. So if there's more androgens, which are very similar to testosterone, then testosterone is increasing. Let's do a quick review. Pause the video and try and do these questions on your own before we go over the answer. Arrange the following structures in the order that sperm passes through them. So starting with the testes, we don't have that there, but we do have seminiferous tubules. So that's first. Then it travels to the epididymis, through the vas deferens, through the ejaculatory duct, and out through the urethra. Next, what is the function of the acrosome? The acrosome contains enzymes needed to help the sperm penetrate through the protective layer surrounding a female egg. What is the difference between interstitial cells and Sertoli cells? Interstitial cells are located between seminiferous tubules, and they secrete testosterone. They are stimulated by LH. Sertoli cells are located inside the seminiferous tubules. They nourish and support developing sperm. They are responsible for spermatogenesis, and they release inhibin. They are stimulated by FSH and testosterone. Where are sperm made? Sperm are made inside the seminiferous tubules. The follicle cells are stimulated by the Sertoli cells to undergo meiosis.